What? Oh my gosh! It's like a card and a gift.
Comes in this really pretty package.
Everything is packaged phenomenally.
Look how stinking cute this is.
Let me show you the high quality of this piece.
Mom, I am a strong woman because I was raised by one. Wow.
Each little thing comes with a branded box, wrapping, and a card.
If this was for me for Christmas, I wouldn't even have to unwrap this. I could wait till Christmas.
They always wrap these things so nice. They're always so cool. There's a piece of candy in there.
Wow, look at how pretty that is.
And she put little strawberry candies in my bag.
And a to and a from on it.
That is great for a Christmas present. I am the worst wrapper there is. These are perfect.
Everything is individually packaged with branded bag and a little note as well.
Because the best dad teaches his daughter how to fish.
It hasn't gotten easier. I have become stronger. Oh, that's a good one.
It said they're gonna make you cry. It warns you on the packaging.
Oh, I love these chains too. Because the chain has a little rose on it.
Well thought out, absolutely beautiful touches.
Isn't that pretty?
My gosh. It is these things that matter. These things that matter.
I am in love. I loved every piece that I received.
Look at this piece. Oh my gosh. And look at all the charms. And look, it's got the crown.
Sweet friendship refreshes the soul.
Like a card and a gift. You wouldn't need to get a card.
Very stunning, perfect for yourself, perfect for gift giving.
How much is a card? Like, they can go up to $15 a card.
I have 3 presents now, and I don't even have to wrap them.
You know, Lisa. I didn't know I'm gonna have to bring the tissues.